So this question is really about drawing a schematic so you can visualize what's happening. So distance from B to C is 3 times that from A to B, so something like that. And we have these 2 trains that travel from A to C going through B. Now, speed of train 2, so this is where I think labeling it properly and writing the appropriate variables is important. So speed of train 1 is S, so this would be twice that. And I can also label these distances. So if this is D, this is 3D. Now, they tell us that the speeds are interchanged at that point, meaning it becomes S, and then this becomes 2S. So this would be B to A. They're asking for the ratio of the time taken by train 1. So I'll start with the time it takes train 1. So that would be D over S, because its speed is S here, and then it doubles here, so it would be 3D over 2S. So that's the time taken by train 1, distance over the speed. We do the same thing for train 2, would be D over 2S plus 3D over S. And now I have to take a ratio. So I'll first add these algebraically, common denominator, so multiply this by 2 over 2, so that becomes 5D over 2S. Here, I'll multiply it again, 2 over 2, so this becomes D plus 6D over 2S, or 7D over 2S. Go back and read this carefully. Time taken by train 1 to that of train 2. I mean, you can see the answer immediately, because these would drop out, and it's 5 to 7. But of course, there's 7 to 5, and that's why you want to read this carefully. And I'm sure these answers are if you didn't flip the speed correctly. So this question really is just about reading it carefully, having this ability to define the appropriate variables so that you have the least number of variables, and then setting up the quantities that you look for. So this is a skill set you want to absolutely make sure that you're very comfortable, you can immediately apply to any scenario. So to summarize, the answer is D.